Welcome to our channel. In this informative video we will show you how to deactivate threat account. Without wasting a time, let's go toward the video. To deactivate your threat account, first click on the profile option. Now click on the two dot at the top right. Some people search it in a privacy option, but you see there is no option of activation, so leave this page and click on the account option. Now you see the option of deactivate profile, so click on it and then click. You see there's information about the deactivation. First you have to read this information carefully, and then once you agree, then click on the deactivate threat profile. When you click it, you show a notification of deactivate or cancel. So I don't want to deactivate my profiles, so if you want, then click on the deactivate. Your account will be deactivated. Thanks for watching.